Joseph Campbell, the incredibly sophisticated, talented, quasi psychedelic founder, used to speak about the hero's journey, and that's a very, very good way to find great products to sell. By understanding the hero's journey, we can then use that to find amazing products to sell on Amazon. So in this video, I want to talk you through exactly what the hero's journey is, and then really show you how to utilize the hero's journey to find amazing product opportunities for selling on Amazon right now. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make more money on Amazon or indeed on any online platform, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, comment below and I'll get in touch with you and answer that personally for you. With that being said, let's get into the hero's journey. So how can we use this for coming up with product ideas? So, well, the hero's journey begins with our hero, who's our customer, okay? So they get a call to adventure, which is really like them coming to realize that they have got a problem that they must solve, okay? And that's a very, very important aspect of marketing, is that the customer already realizes they've got a problem that they want to solve. You don't want to get into the very, very expensive game of educating the customer about a problem that you want them to then solve, like for instance deodorant sprays and stuff like that. Very, very expensive, can be very lucrative, but you know, for most of us, we don't have the funds to do that. So you look for people who are already committed to going on that journey. So they already realize they want a weight loss product. They already realize they want to go and compete in a triathlon, something like that. They already realize that they want to make their home more beautiful, okay? So you're not educating them, you're simply going along with the journey that they're on. Then they come along to the threshold where the guardian comes in and they go into the beginning of their transformation, and this is where you appear. This is where you want to start appearing, okay? So at this point, your product ought to appear at that particular juncture as the way or a potential way that they can actually solve this or go further on this journey that they're on. So if it's a weight loss thing, if it's a triathlon thing, if it's a homewares thing, no matter what it may be, okay, that's where you kind of come into it. And then what you'll do is you put your product in front of them in such a way that you're going to actually help them with their journey, help them go on their journey more and more, okay? And then they come down to this part at the bottom, which is the abyss, the death and rebirth phase. That's really buyer's remorse as far as a product goes. And what you want to do to get rid of buyer's remorse is to make your product that you're selling them so good that they want to carry on the journey. So when somebody goes on a weight loss journey, for instance, well, they quickly realize that actually it's freaking hard to lose weight. You spent your entire past 5 or 10 years, whatever it's been, developing the habits which got you overweight, and now you have to develop some new habits to lose weight, okay? Or you've spent your entire life not going out and getting fit, and so you've got to develop some new habits. And so this is a difficult challenge that people have to go through. Okay, it's a difficult challenge that people have to do. But if you can help somebody go through that particular journey, then what you'll find is you become their mentor, you become their trusted ally, you get to join them through their transformation, okay? And as they come through that, the more they go through that, as they come through that, they'll come out at the end, and then you can then carry on selling them new things, okay? So that's how the hero's journey is superimposed over somebody's particular journey. So how can you use that to actually go out and find products? Well, look for opportunities where people are going to start going on their own transformations. I'm not talking like where they go and suddenly realize that their mouse is broken and they need to replace a mouse. It's not that kind of thing. It's more like the bigger things that we go through in life, where we're making these big decisions about our life, and then we look at getting help to take us through them. I've decided, I just turned 50. I decided personally that I was going to make health a really big thing in my life. I quickly realized that's actually hard to do. So I sought out products and services to help me along the way. I became a customer for a whole new set of people. Okay, and they're helping me on my own hero's journey now as I go through my own transformation. That's how you want to use that information to come up with and go through this life cycle of Amazon products. Okay, that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 Australian e-commerce professionals who sell things on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and our own, of course, websites as well. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do with sales of over $50 million, you may want to come along and check out www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au to find out more and join us. With that being said, I'll see you in there next time.